Adding rainbows to landscape photos is super easy in Photoshop. Let's open the photo we want to add a rainbow to and create a new layer. Then I select the gradient tool on the left. Its shortcut is G. And I open the gradients panel under the window. When I open this panel, various ready-made gradient options will appear. Again in this panel, I click on the small icon in the upper right. When I click on this icon, I choose the Legacy Gradient option among the options that appear. You may not be able to see anything on the screen when I select this. When we scroll down to the bottom of these groups, you will see that the option we just clicked appears here. I can stretch this panel a little longer, and when I open it, you will see the Special Effects folder. If you look carefully inside this folder, you will see a gradient effect called Russell's Rainbow. This effect is the ready-made rainbow effect in Photoshop. Let's choose this first. When we select this, it can be immediately reflected in the background. We can cancel it with Ctrl Z. Now I select the gradient tool again and let's choose Radial Gradient, which is the second option from the left among the above options. When I select this option, we can create rounded gradients and we will automatically see rainbow colors when we draw. Here is how I draw from left to right, where I want the rainbow to be. We need to direct it towards it. In fact, the gradient has a method like this. We will try to make it look like a rainbow by enlarging it even more. Since it has very sharp lines, we need to soften these lines a little more by giving a Gaussian blur effect. I click on Filter and select the Gaussian blur option under Blur. Let's increase this. I leave it like this and click the OK button, making sure that the layer we draw the rainbow is selected. I change the normal option to screen and we can lower the opacity a bit. According to our photograph, we can evaluate it according to how it looks beautiful to our eyes. Rainbows appear a little fainter on Earth and become more visible towards the sky. While the newly created layer is selected, I click the mask button below. When I click on this mask button, everything I paint with black will start to become invisible. So when I draw a gradient, from bottom to top, from black to white, the rainbow on Earth will not be visible. It will be visible upwards. That's my intention. Still in the area above with the gradient tool selected, I choose the black and white color in the basic colors folder. We just picked radial. I'm converting it to linear again, and with the mask selected, I draw from the bottom of the page up while the mask section we created here is selected. If we look at the mask area, as a result of this gradient painting, the bottom became black and the top remained white because we have black and white tones. When I draw a gradient from bottom to top, the parts below will remain black. Therefore, the parts of the rainbow that touch the Earth will be relatively less visible. It is possible to increase this a little more upwards. This will completely change according to your eyes and visuals. If you wish, you can even start from a little higher to make it look like which is behind the mountain. In this video, I showed you how to quickly create a rainbow. I hope it was useful. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.